In this video, I'm picking up a super cheap, super clean, first gen Honda Grom. Time to take the pre and get it popping. Push to start, baby. Woo! Slap her and drive and get it going. So I'm on the way right now to pick up the Grom in one of my favorite places in the entire world, Laguna Beach, which if I get to ride this Grom on PCH, I'm gonna be so happy. There's a chase right there, so I'll hit the bank in Laguna and then meet at the spot that they sent that's really, really close to there. So fingers crossed that the deal goes through, that the bike is as clean as he says, and I will see you when I get there. Got a super steep hill climb right there, but we are pulling up on the chase just right there. Gonna head in, grab the cash, and get going. Pulling up to the homeboy. I got there, gave it a look over, a quick test ride, and bam, we struck a deal at $1,800. Here's a little bit of footage from the first test ride after we finalized all the paperwork and transferred ownership, money, etc. I left the Prius in a parking lot, hopped on the Grom, and took it down to one of my favorite side streets in Laguna, and then on to PCH and another road that borders the coast, borders the ocean, and it was incredible. As you can see, super beautiful, super scenic, and it was awesome to rip the little Grom through there. So here's the bike. I got it for just 1,800 bucks. And I get to ride it in one of the most beautiful places on earth, Laguna Beach, one of my favorite spots. I love being able to do this, but I'm about to head home. Got the helmet right here, so let's get going. Cruising. Wish you were here. I made it home safely with the Grom, and it was amazing. Being able to buy the super cool bike for a really good deal in my dream location, Laguna Beach, a place that I love, seeing that Ferrari, trying to rip the thing, having a ton of fun on the drive home, getting to experience all of its quirks and how slow these things actually are, was amazing. I'm already starting to formulate some views and opinions on this bike, whether I like it, whether I don't, whether it's worth buying one or not. I've always wanted one, never had it, so I figured I'd buy one for a good deal. That way I can resell it, turn a profit, and enjoy it in the meantime. That's what I teach others how to do as well. So if you're interested in learning how to do just that with any bike, there's a link down below that you should definitely check out. Subscribe to the channel so that you can see future Grom content, like the video if you did like it, and with that in mind, I will see you on the next one.